What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video we are going to review a couple of ads, push ads to be precisely, and we are going to review them, see how they can improve and what they're doing very well so that you can apply it onto your campaign. So let's dive in. Alright, so we're inside of Anstrax and we're using Anstrax Push because today we are going to spy on push notification ads from our competition, and we will be reviewing them to see where they can improve and what they're doing very well so that you can apply these tips and tricks to your very own push campaign. So let's dive in. I did one filter, which is the language filter. I've put it on English to make sure that you and me too can both read what these ads are saying. Makes it a little bit easier to review, obviously. So first of all, we've got this one right here. Earn $2,786 a day in Karata thanks to this system. So I think Karata is the city or whatever, so it's an ad for Australia. Now, when we take a look at this headline, $2,786 a day, it's too specific if you ask me. So nobody would advertise it this way, right? So it already makes it feel like, I feel like you're losing your credibility if you put a number in like that. So better would be earn $2,700 a day, for example. That would be more realistic, and it's still the same message you're saying. Now this image obviously is terrible. We see an old guy here, almost looks like he's photoshopped in. We only see half of him. We see what looks like a somewhat expensive car, but not too expensive. Looks like a normal car you would see in the streets. So not a great image, not a great headline, no description, lot of improvement. Now, if we compare this ad with this ad, we have want to earn $1,500 daily. So that headline is already better, right? He makes it $1,500. And it's not better because it's less. It's better because it's more realistic when you advertise with $1,500 daily. So I like that better, and the image is also a lot better. We see a dude with a regular, nothing too fancy or whatever, so it looks like somebody who, who could be living next doors. You know what I'm saying? And we have a very expensive car here, and it looks fast, it looks sharp. The quality of the picture is better than the previous one. So a lot better image, definitely, for sure. The guy doesn't look too rich. He looks like just some bloke who earned a lot of money, which is exactly what you want to create. So this one will win it for sure against this Australian one. This is an ad for Oman. All right. Now let's see, what else do we have? Maybe something not make money. Let's see. Make money, make money. A lot of make money, but that's, usual for this time of the year. It's not very strange. Okay, we have a casino offer right here. Grab the chance to claim huge promo bonus from us today. Register now at EUBet. Okay. Get special bonus up to 15%. So the headline, grab the chance to claim huge promo bonus from us today. Register now at EUBet. The headline is pretty good. It's pretty long. I wonder what, traffic stars, okay. So pretty long headline, but pretty good as well. There is urgency because they say from us today, register now. So there is urgency, huge promo bonus. Seems like a little bit of an overkill, but it's still pretty good. Now let's take a look at the image. As we know, sex sells, so there's a beautiful girl right there. A lot of red though. Nothing really pops out. Special bonus kind of pops out, but I would have used brighter colors so that it's more really jumping out of your screen when you get that push notification. Now let's see, what else do we have? Only in Sydney, an astrologer's helpful guides to dating each star sign. Okay, interesting. For this one, okay, so the image is okay. It's an animated picture. It does the trick, but it's not really special. There's not a whole lot of contrast in the image, so it doesn't really pop out. And the icon is just a WhatsApp logo with 9 notifications. I don't really see how that's gonna be relevant for this specific ad. Now let's take a look at the headline. Only in Sydney, an astrologer's helpful guide to dating each star sign. I guess it could be a good headline, but it's very specific because you really have to reach the audience that really believes that the star signs are huge characteristic sayings, basically. So it says something about your characteristics. And to be honest, I don't feel like that's going to be the majority. I think a lot of people will just think like, well, I don't care what star sign a person is. I'll just date them, and if it clicks, it clicks. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So not a huge fan there. I don't see why they use the WhatsApp icon. The image is okay, but could have been better. Let's see, what else do we have? More make money. Cashback boost. Oh, I can't even read that. Let's see. What is this? Oh, I can't read it. That's Swedish. This is make money. Okay, Jacksonville. Try this tonight and body fat melts away. I like the headline. It's kind of urgent. I don't really see why you would put the tonight in brackets, but yeah, I kind of like the headline. It's okay. No description there. Let's take a look at the image. It's an animated picture. Once again, I'm not a huge fan of them, but I haven't seen this one before, which is kind of unique. Usually you'll see these animated pictures come back quite a lot. I haven't seen this one. I kind of like it. There's not a whole lot of contrast. For example, if this shirt would have been a brighter color, or these pants, then that would probably pop out a little bit more. However, I like the fact that they created these hands pulling back that extra fat or whatever it is, and these circles. So these circles could have been bright red, right? If you make those bright red, it will pop out more. It's even more clearer that it's about those spaces. But other than that, overall, pretty good image. Could have done better. Experience in woodworking. Get a free ebook. The Art of Woodworking plus Plants. The headline doesn't say a whole lot. I usually like headlines being questions because it's human nature that when you get asked a question, you're going to think about the answer or give the answer. So, experienced in woodworking, I kind of like that. Get a free ebook, The Art of Woodworking plus Plants. It's always good to advertise with something free because people will click on it if they're interested because it's free. All right, so that's pretty good. The headline, yeah, I like the fact that it's a question, but I don't really see how it's going to help you with this ad. So, experienced in woodworking, it's okay. I don't. Let's take a look at the landing page, shall we? That's going to be this one. The Arts of Woodworking. Are you a woodworking hobbyist? Get a 440 full color page of solid content that covers workshop essentials, woodworking tools and skills, measuring, marking and layout and cutting and drilling and shaping, wood joinery, clamping, gluing, fastening, sanding, finishing, and to top it off, fully detailed step-by-step plans to many projects. Just enter your email address and the guide will be sent to you immediately. Okay. It's made with WordPress. I don't really like the template. So if you want better landing pages, make sure to have a nice, appealing landing page template, which you can get from the Deberoo Suite. Go to deberoossuite.com and sign up, and you can use one of the many landing page templates available in the landing page builder. So check it out. It looks a lot better than this white plain site. The text, however, is long. I wouldn't name all those parts of woodworking. I would just name a couple of main skills that you want to address. Talk about something else as well, not just a list of what you will learn. And yeah, make it a little bit longer about why we really need this. How is this guide gonna take us to the next level in woodworking? That's what I like to see. All right, let's go back. Let's do one more. Let's see. Do we have yet another one? So this is a lotto. Get your free ticket now. Okay. What else? What else? We have a spinner here. Lottery results. Your Huawei Nexus is today's winner. Okay, so what I like about this, so the lottery results is the headline, which is fine as long as you explain more in the description. So lottery results, you could also say you're the lottery winner and then an explanation down in the description, which will probably attract even more attention from the users, but this is fine as well. Lottery results, your Huawei Nexus, and then that's obviously gonna change for the device, it's just the device name, is a today's winner. Obviously no A there, so is today's winner, makes it more unique. And then we have the spinner here. I don't know if I would use the image of the spinner right here. But yeah, okay, so the headline and the description are cool. The image, I'm not really sure if that's gonna work. I guess the test will have to tell us that. And then let's take a quick look at the landing page. Google notifications, you've made the 9.68 billionth search. Congratulations, you are a lucky winner. Every 10 million search is reached worldwide, we will proclaim a winner and send out a thank you gift. Please select your lucky prize below and claim it by the following instructions. And then you choose one. And now I really don't know why you would use that spinner right here, because it's not even a spinner lander. So use something else here. Use a lotto ticket. Use a logo. Make a logo of a lottery. Whatever it is. And besides, it's not really a lottery. If you click on it, land on Google, and it says that you won because you did a 9.68 billionth search. That wouldn't make sense, right? So either it's a lottery or it's a random winner because of the X amount of search they did, whatever, right? But not both. So don't mix it up. Because right now, the user will get a push notification about a lottery that with the results. And with that lottery results, they think they are today's winner. They click on it and then they land on a landing page where it says you won, but not because of a lottery, but because of the search you did with Google. So that doesn't make any sense. So make sure you have a coherent flow, meaning that when the user first see the first impression of your ad, all the way through the end to where they make the sale is all one coherent flow, where it's one story getting bit by bit clearer for the user until they have to take action, and then they're activated and motivated to take that action by the flow underneath it. If it's not coherent, they think, oh, I've got a lottery, and then all of a sudden it's a Google prize or whatever. So the trust gets away there. They feel like, I've been misjudged, basically. I've been sent in the wrong direction. I don't trust this. I'm going to click this away and fuck you. I'm not going to give you a conversion. That's basically what's going to happen if your flow is not coherent. So watch out for that. However, I do like the ads, maybe just for a different landing page, or the other way around, just the same landing page, but then use a different flow here. Promote it as in, congratulations, Google selected you for the previous search you did, because everybody searches on Google every now and then. So the previous search that you did was the 10th billionth, whatever. So claim your prize now, whatever it is. But make that flow coherent, all right? That's going to be it for this one. I hope I gave you some useful advice. So stick around for some more content and I will see you next time. Peace out.